pastors kini church ri karnau sa da khai tikan da sping sit sangrak kaina le shirak kaina atam hi tha atam hi matui sang khai wang kasat sang mi khai wang share sa khai wang Tangkul Church Bangalore na workers appreciation day the high khai shop mi de khai hi set a bar sar ga mi de khai hi myang ngai the comment mi ngai o tun shan na yong wa sar ga unappreciate sak khai tara khle thum hi church ri ot ka sawa rong ni and hi ka tha chimi show khi ka show gai na so leng rong a je mangari man ka ngai la ma ti phanga si da kang ning khai ni thada for example hang lo je ka minra ma thai nei khnung ri ot sau gi da and mangari acknowledge sak mi ji ya ri mangari jo si church na rum rak kai na nau da khai church worker ko ta ji thai mi de ji thai khami ka thara nei je na hada adam khui ki shoki miya khangai nang so da ning shiai de gi hira hangai de Tangkul Baptist Church Bangalore matunai na speakers haro da sangau gi da nishi matiri da ning shiai da hang sangai de full time workers sadar hi ishi matile de Oja Isaac Soleng Johnson and Chanyo commitment miraga dedicate saraga atam miraga church wi ot manga khui mi de khwang ning shiai de ki hangai de kai kha ri hon cham ra jang de kai hong ngai ron sat ma ma nau re ka shok ka jang hi khang jan ne hi warung ni na thum na ot manga khui mi de hi ning share ko vre na somiru no ki hangai ji ai na so da hang khangi hang khangai le ituma rong ni da part time worker le thada church we are only choir master right na pianist sada church we worship room sak da khai choir than ga pianist music simir ga guitar simir da kai na thum aming bowa jin in na thada aina thada part time aina acknowledge sami da kai hi aming hokhra di shur hang da khai san ne ko guitarist khni da bam dre nanil la acknowledge sami ngai church ri hadang chon mi da kai hi it's a valuable contribution ge ji mazang ha church marakri sound system light mi dai ga bam hi ning thada very mukui ne now de thada young musician mazang ga the church is very empty and then we contribution hi thada ning shina kho ge ji hangai je na so the church wa rongri on a voluntary basis church ring chon der khai for example we shong ni de khai choir members ha mi der khai ping chimang ning na dang ri leaders ha mi der khai ping sound system yang sang mi der khai ping media team members ha ga jang der khai ping aram gup sarai ga saksasang wi gi hi sairon de dar ga saksasang gi hi formal masang ga ga pai Sunday service na thum bang sweat sau gi da ot arung ni background ni sa der khai ping nik share ji hangai ko tigan akhali dre di tigan saraga church shepa sadar khiping women nine yudri executive members haraga quite but contribute haraga kipakhra mathai salla arungni meeting ngajek raga twitter ko khiri influence haraga ot manga khidar khiping ni ning share ko je hangai church athang isi head digan mention side yaru ga dong involved sadar khine church. So in different capacities, volunteers haraga, oi Sunday school staff sadar khayping. Natum na nausnauri ko juimi raga. Every Sunday service I the sacrifice haraga, ushers hadarega, hospitality dim nizanaga, what sadar khayping. Ning share ko ji hangai dre. He on behalf of the church kare you shongai na hang miauge thada. Natum na ya the church contribute sadar khai wangai na church room dar khai ko otherwise church im kuin ne naur ko ji hangai dere jaina bare na room shan mi da thumui pang themai na thumui otsa kai na gazat ka gali hi sok mi mang ni na ot bam ri no gazat gar ka ji budi sok mi ng sar no ka ji hangai sermon kham du hi tum hi tang hol du mak sa khni re jangai ena khangna hi ka tong ga na bang room worship sa bang room khai wang ship shi du na ina ka shi ga da abstract sermon abstract here so that we are on the same page as we worship together in this manner. If there's anyone who don't speak Tangkul, I would like to give an abstract of my sermon in a few minutes. We are part of a system, a socio-political structure where people with money and power dictates everything. For example, if you want a job or a promotion, unless you bribe, you don't get a job, you don't get promoted. In fact, giving bribery is normalized within our own government setting, or perhaps within the context that you come from. Bribery appears to be just normalized. It seems okay. Even we church do not seem to speak against it. In fact, even when you bribe, not everyone gets the job, or not everyone gets the promotion. The one who gives the highest amount of money gets the promotion. And if you look around, since we are part of that system, that kind of thinking, if you are connected, if you are connected and have a relationship with influential people, you seem to climb the ladder better or faster. People who knows how to navigate relationships and power and connection seem to grow, get the job. People who seem to have good relatives and friends around them seem to get the job. Not people who are skilled, not people who are perhaps called. And that is our system. And so we look at ourselves, church, and we have to ask, are we influenced by that kind of system? If you look at the popular culture, look at Bollywood, the star's kid becomes the star in the making. They may not be good, they may not be skilled in acting, but they are the main lead actor and actresses. People who are skilled in acting takes the long path of becoming a good actor or becoming popularized. It takes decades for them to be recognized. It takes years for anyone to notice. But people who are a star's daughter or son, they seem to take an easy way out. So let me come back to church and church association. Because you are related, because you are from this village, because you are from that particular community, because you are a man, are we employing someone who might not be called to be a pastor, who might not called to be an evangelist, who might not called to be a teacher, but maybe skilled in something else? Is that kind of thinking and system influencing even how we function our church? Are we considering especially when we are hiring someone, are we considering God's call? Are we considering God-given skill rather than connection? Look at our own Tanghul community, or your own community for that matter, or own Tanghul Baptist Church Bangalore. How are we hiring people? Are we looking at someone who is skilled, or are we looking at someone who is already connected with someone who is already there in the church? When I was a kid, I was told that if you work hard, if you study, then you become someone in life, then you would do well. And so I believed it. I worked hard, sweated out, burned the midnight candle, worked. But was I wrong? Did I work for nothing? The text that was read out to us suggests that I was not, or my teachers were not wrong. My elders were not wrong. Eventually, if not right away, if you use the God-given skill, you will be recognized. You will be made known, and you will make God known wherever you may be placed. Both Proverbs and 2 Corinthians suggest, Proverbs suggests that your God-given skill will be recognized and will be used. And the Corinthian text invites us that contribution is needed across the board within the community, within the church, from different church bodies. So as I preach this topical sermon towards excellence in ministry and workplace, I want to encourage us that skill matters, competence matters, and hard work can make a difference. Itu my church we are only, or church, marang ka itu my government we system are only ang ka, itu my sim kulun no, kongnai naurun no, tangrun no, kurun no. Pisa nom ra go otsang ka panghi khang cha thakai thad leidre normalize sai re pisa ina nom ra go otsang ka panghi chi thau ki das khang cha sau ki da itu mi thang thang wi khring khrak ri workplace rin no shim wi khongnai ri navigate ka sa jong no od pam ri no hi ka thau wi chuk ma chi miri connection layer kha od pam father khai. For example, issue are only term go bao gido od pha gida tik le dre dang hol pep the church are only shim khuli pha khai khu khangnai ri pha khai or thekam sui ri pha khai vrena hodre gji himang nara miyang gazagra thada mikumo preference aina pha khai malay krayang gji hiro question sangai ko sai kha itumui hi reconsider sawing sa ngai ing nui raga iwi oja kha ami hangau wi leishra kai mawon sa de ere serpam yaw da leishra kai tui classroom ri pam raga hangai. If you work hard, you will become the fastest mind in the classroom. The classroom encourage sa de that became my life's motto. Nui raga nana sak changdo cha classroom ri pam da khing chai la nana them mai thui gi nana smart sam mai thui ji wana ore da hangai hada aji ana classroom ri class 8 ka 9 ni khan wo mra ere tam ji thai gai ji arui ra iri influence of ye ibang nui raga adama hri lai maning sang tha mzu tha phung da emotional side sir I wi oja wai phning jen na Queen Dogri say by the way the Hangmile Colonel Ojain the PhD was harder because he was being in the Pakam opening some day. Ka Otsaka Shakjang the Otsaka Midini Makui Paiko, because he telling some yogi the Midini Shakjang dog because I are every day, Monday to Friday, he Tadi will working hours later. Nya is the evil like a pitching for you. He telling some me guy we ought sadder kine. Jenna he tam jitega hega takrajiga mirini lighting tam rega tem rega tam quishi quieka outcome tasang pangnuko drop tada zaruko shimsa quiruko rega room do raina ngara kham tara sambang rega o brave kham tara sambang ko aying rana jada somi tada ochana tam jitega Iwi Karnau being at them say, hey, Muyaura Verenami guy, skillji, Verenami guy, God given skillji, Kanara Majitura, it to me, Tangul context are only. Pisa nomrago, Otpam Hadre, Pectorina, midi appoints Hadre, connection at issue the midi appoints Hadre, Verenami guy, skillji, Aremo, Masati aura. The question Kang hana tamle, Kalele, lay hire. Kaji Dex Proverbs 22-29 Pashok had issued the Verenami skill. Now, Jehudi we can dex it very mean Kami high skill, Yoga Kang de the Papaya that she explains an auge. Verenami skill is Jinaka. No, we skill Tanka kings and queens Yahweh basically command people Shabam kings and queens not the Sarah is ne. Basically hinne Yaruina not the Sarah is ne or Mina Nari oh now by his Shijin Byron now by he will oddly Shijin Byron mother not the Sarah Sijin to acknowledge Araga Mike Yara Sambanga very Shipaka Sasambang Jiwi direction. He Jehudi we can actually skill or skillful person him mahir the Hebrew word and Rai he go krati natural talent nim no now by he guitar hontage in the way very gifted creative rasa create guitar lo hontage ka but han by no because he lady tangkul context now by he 그좀 크바 사바이진다 라람 타 그섬 상아에 그 나속라 가이나 졌 그거 다 the bằng thêm cái thà là sao quyên tộc rồi dùng lại rồi thêm khá mà chỉ han bay này cái gì lấy đi thật là mất đi đang holy context hi cái ham nim này Hebrew skillful the person hi natural talent cái phải na thật là talent that sao khai mi lấy chỉ cái ham nim này khá về na mi cái quyên tộc as a talents or let's say skill ji sijin raga ngai on hard work saraga dedicate saraga sijin raga ai nau ba hi sijin bai re tuimam tuim nei ya roi ri ba kha ot akha mi sangai kha manga pat man nei ari hi singno je kha ta cham taramai no ot ko shoi mang wam nei kchi ri ka hang nei hi Hebrew ma hev gi ji hi skillful person gi ji hi mi ye kha singui the chui direction ni ka hang nei idumui Bengaluru dadra hi kai khava hairstylist tas hire kai khava sales executive sadre store manager sadre kai khava CEO ithumai call center li sadre kai khini thumai ministry sadre skillful person the khadam saran nanna hairstylist sadre khajri no store manager na or no mabuna client paisa ka singrau gida samrat chapra dara kha mi pa cham sakoro ana jabai ka I don't have to worry client hi thada singhuyaure thada mi sangai ka sam jap themang ning ra mathara kaina atam mi ra ka saugi da mina shitsang ga pai hams jihan ga pai a hi pai na sa pai de da gang ga ne store managers hadre ka tukanui mabuna ai mi ba hi asang ni mi sangai ka ana ot hi yang sam shebet ada ningrum durai na hai ga bai ba jri ga hang ne if you are a sales executive what you cure here for example tadai thumui janjam hang lo ji ka desert ira sidu yor ga thei shap gda mi ri ga hang ne tata ot ji no sales executive sara ga ot yor thei rak kai na ot manga hui der khai tata jiwi janjam ai na ra hang ba ye nana jamsa the waiter saraga hotel li othadre je ka table mati phanga akhmam ning na nari nashui manager na entra sakbai because you can take care of it shepa sa tari ka manari main receptionist haide je ka no iri otpam wiwang rang thing nashu odui bang or the receptionist saraga pam dre ka ningai mathara kaina tuira madui thera ga welcome sakhui chui skill leira ka raga khajana sa hi convince sak shap leader khai. So when you say skillful, jahan gapai talent is in kuiteraga yaruina jahan gapai no we otangrom bina jahan gapai is he connection like ko gaji hangajne he skillful person gaji he Bible text ri ka character tra khajandre. For example, Genesis 41 ri ka Joseph ri rao tharaga yor sangawe but our spiritual discernment at the same time administration skill later prison patopi duksangai ga saji palace ri shepa sai itumna chimang maning na exodus ri bezalala na ohaliep table nekel kesembakni he artistic talent where we inspire sami raga artistic talent sijin raga table nekel rasem sagai mi high talent ji entra saraga sijin kuye ituna chimang maning ra character Judges 4 and 5 ri ang Deborah judge akasada prophetess akasada awi kathanvu saraga yaruri thanraga rai ga bingda raira sthamjadraga at the same time vre we tuirap tan jitherga yaruri ri ka thansang bangai talent ari vre na talent mi gai chimang na skill different capacities skin citizen raga itumna Acts 18:24 to 26 ri ang you will find a character named Priscilla ina Aquila na Apollori tamhui gai mer nauri chu adam ni shnau na tamjik thai himalai samne very rare ka very we tamjik thai ocha sakshabu abilities sin raga tamjik thai chiri lang mai the Lydia hoda shangra kaina merchant entrepreneur jawli thumi ariwa honi business woman sathai rak kaina church wi thana damni church how ko phok damni church wi ot manga khuisai for example ya jondang church wi member a hari kar jan sajne Lord Supper shepa sa hi church how ko damni mir na Lord Supper shepa amsa samne itum ratio kerjani shnaun na shepa sasako ituma damri ratio how po damni ena mara krimier na mang na lord supper shepa sadar khai ya mam yang aim ne shnaun na biblically text replace har ga yang ka mer now na shepam sa samne now the church mga khoi ga ming phom tha khai na mer now na singser khai na hada ka changkha the church how po adam re dam ni lidia ga ta hi na shepa sar ga lord supper shepa sa sa ji no lord supper hi ba pha sa ji no am ta rai na hada so I'm straying from the topic ka hangsang ni phung gi da hangsang der khai ne chi thau gi da hi da talent sit der khai hi thada hi thada lei the abstract concept in the jitheming text itu my New Testament Old Testament across the Bible character jada leitre verena mi khai talent ji sikhimang ni na skill ji sijinaga purposeful leira kaina dedicate saraga atam mirga sijinaga verena sijin khai character leitre ko if we look at our church when we appoint someone mi akhri appoints hawra ga jamsaran it comes through a long process itu marong ni church ka tian naw nei sala or itu ma khangazan church nei sala Tanghul Baptist Church Bangalore hi system hai process lay church kharanaw na as ishi home evangelist darga sai re ishi ijipurari tangwi care group leader darga sai re ki need recognize sai so you think about it contemplate raga or for example deacon darga sai re deaconess akhmang leitre deaconess chumei da darga sai re shinao kathan wa rong shinao kathan mare rak thu re need thi recognize sa khai nai da kha need thi lei hau gi da committee ka pangsang ai committee na ka pangsang ka machuk ga sai ha sa ra ka chi pahri ka pangsang ka phami nikrang da machuk waksa kharjan na saung sa wa sa ra ga when all these things is done media approach sai approach sa ra ga miara by turn down sa ra ga juti appoint sa ra ga church ri mia ai ka kai khri ba in some cases house ri ka mia ko khui khangwa thai ma khang khui rang wa ye da odbama thi should saya sasang mi ga dedicate sa ra ga ot ma khui hada organize sarak he the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 the line hada malay sarara there's some system in place the appoint sa ka sane ajizmic shom oja jansangai na shanyo jidada system later ga sia sak ka na niri ka pangsang khai ko home evangelist saraga ka pangsang khai hi na new odbam hi yaruina yangka ka bai odbam ne yaruina ma tuingai rak khai abam ne next to pastors khniwa rongri nanina yaruri pastor care mi dar khai pastor wi othi home visit saraga ngan chotr khai ringa dar khai raga chapter khai bingni sia sami raga chot khang rumai otsin hi nanina khang ji dar khai ne pastor care hi nanina mi dar khai ne or ming ji dar khai ne associate pastor ina pastorly odbam hi jidau gi da mi ra take up home visit nani priority home visit and meeting people ne odbam hi huwang aboing sa ne jidau gi da mi ra thai sarau gi da man roje ka ngara hui pairak khai otbam nei thadang ra naw kham thara thaiser jin thada otbam hi mi ka tong khri ka theibam ne kha at the same time otbam hi mina le shi pai male shi pai kju prospect ne it's a double edged sword thada otbam hi mina nga chanau gi da lang swai pai e home evangelist da yaruina chipatai pai kanani responsibility chi ko yarui ri simri sangpang ga miri sangpang ga miri ga thai hi nani na home evangelist sarga Tanghul Baptist Church Bangalore mi mathem ne je ko khawat leitre mathem ne je ka thai phung ga ji ot nei ga ji hira remind sangai encourage sangai ko ot manga khira khai hi matha da khira re rajang dhar khai bing la mathamai da khwi ba ro ga ji encourage sangai from your side sincerity sarakaina diligence sarakaina regardless of what people say or do nani what sagaji ji saro ji hangai ishui secretary oja solai ya no otbom sangai mre receive ka tong ka thei na na to comment ka tong ka razang dar khai ka shock ka jang thei dar khai otbom ne ya ma sa thei nam re ji shong ai ni ma sangai ma khang ko so heads off to you no to leng ni azak ma thei da thu ro wa re ta da thei re ga mu tu ngai bai ba azak ki thei re ga a rong ni man ri mai ne yang ai re ni ngai ra ma thau mo si so leng hi jaina church we ministry hi ki sari crazy hi pai sai na thei receive aina thei church hi ki ministry sara jiga money shows what we are doing in the church jao gida ka shok ka sang ka tong ka thei nga so da ki ot sari ma samri gi hi ka thei ot ne your job demands integrity mashun ai him them kho the bam ka pai otbam ne thai sir da khai otbam sa de yog da vrenara murung gang courage samiru no deborari murung gang samira ga mer na ri than ga rai than ga ta da ne than ga shapang shap samiru no very unassuming ka sai ka pam ga saran ga sai sa gi ba shi ne nga khum di ba shi ra manim ne soleng hi kha vrena pang shap courage samira ga ot ma khiru no ga ji hi gdom khami tuira hang sangai ko soleng ot ma ra khiru no quick wahi ma thara in the quivaru no ji hangai ji ga hai nang so da ishi we Oja Isaac caretaker in the context of city soleng yo sangai ni ji ga inno ma sangai me ne itu me dang khol ba chowkidar nai ji ga jipat itu mi mat mam ta mai tui gi ji tiam nau bing ni driver bing ni chowkidar bing ni naita ra ga jikabati tang kholi context ji tha sa la ge minister ne akhwa ne peng balance ha ge ji ga lai shi rak kai na tri chai yu sermon khang jari ge tiok saw me aur go ka aje hang yi da hang au ge kha nongui otbam hi tang khol baptist church bangalore na ning shi gi ji otbam kho khon ma shok ra ga tiu yong wa sa ra go sa da ge hi tang khol Baptist Church ning sing yi pung ko ji hangai ot manga ko der khai hi yong wa sa der khai hi city ri isum simwa ko ot ma sa da bam ra ga da ji da chowkidar bion sa khai mi tikle city ri next committee search sa ga ji bing or term ko brother ge the issue caretaker phara ji bing ot ma sangai ne mi 성방 기시 그지 어범네 너나 상하이다 레시다 commitment 미르가 사들 가요 방나 church 나 니시 그지 항아이코 너위 어범히 다다 아 컨머 쇼그램 뒤락다 다 사란지 사 용용와 사그지 commitment 맞들래야 그 버레리 미양가 그 마사가 바이 어네 joina the commitment 미르가 어 사들 가요 닝 셰르코 그지 항아이코 이슈위 part time 사들 가요 어자바오미 아이나 Milanira hangai. You represent the church wherever you go. Part time sada ishi music guitar sada khaye. Church music komi pianista ye choir master sai it comes with a tech church John me church outside ji kazadri no we duya no sakbaena church hikajik tha church crazy the teruko no what man that sadar hi od mangam thaina kuider hi jiwang ning shi ko mathame de sabaro od mangam thada sadre giji hira hangai dre gutam gishir no od ka sarur no carry yourself as a church worker even though it's a part time giji hi hangsang ai od mangam thame de sarur no ka sara sathai me kharda saba furu no giji hira na thuni da hangsang ai ji Kahaina so the church are only volunteers are a different department or other having here. Your presence, your contribution makes the church running. Volunteers ping Malayaka church run mas how late Uncle Baptist Church Bangalore. You want I know volunteers had a Ari Kaika, a church had a hospitalist had a heavy because hungry sermon among na who they couldn't grip a maida. Or Yali Young the Sunday school staff had a having he. Not to sacrifice had a he church we on Maki the go which he hung. But itum migumo itum bingna natum na contribute sadar hi masham kuider sala vrenava notisako kiji hangai. It seemed like a cliche tada na mina matai sala vrena notisako but that's a fact no o sadar hi vrena notisako they will serve kings and queens da aung they will not serve command people. In other words, hangdar kai hi thadana na shepa sadar kai hi notice sarko gijine theirko vrena theidre ko giga hainas ya nurina da ratherina contribution sadar hi mahir giji hi skill hi ngai ron semra ga develop ka samamning ra vrena mi khai purpose chi recognize saraga integrity leiraga hot khna leiraga ot ka sajiri recognize ka sanais itumi jihudi we skillful person da handa hi ji thau gi da nana jada skill commitment leiraga sincere sara kaina ot ka sahi recognize saurako nana purposeful leira kaina skillful leira skill leira kaina sijindera kaina sijindra hi it will become a witness nana ot mathada ka sahi mina notice how gida nana itum dada je pulbidi itum duidar khaibing dada makam dui sala noi wangaina miakhana naring shanaraga ya breshi ka sahi hithar muyang noi skill sikjin hi breshi ka sahi queer ka sahi na thum wangaina ada breshi ka sahi motor gi da sacrifice araga hada motor ta garaga nan thumui sound system arrange san da hi service ku pai raga pum akhashiga gzibraga aruni nam sang furaga khang khama sadar hi na thumui commitment ne na notice sakho gi hi encourage sami ai Joseph ri awi skill aina spiritual discernment wang notice ka sahada Bezalel aina ohalyabri atumi artistry aina craftsmanship wang aina recognize ka sahada Tipurari leadership than ga thai vu ka sawang kala thangmai rak kaina award sijing thai wang recognize ka sahada Danieli administration and prophetic discernment khalai wang sikjin dada awunga khang dai bing aina dara sijin nei very mak thai bing aina sijin dra khai dada Priscilla na shinau ha sala jo dam shinau ri masijin la leg sahiri ocha saraga mender saraga damji thai shap ji dada Lydia o entrepreneurship sijin business woman saraga ka shangbu aka saraga awi mentoring satai ra kaina hospitality saraga miri shepa ka sahada no excellence no skill here be it in ministry or workplace wangaina miakhri sokmi ka samani ra vreri ra ka thaing saro no ji hangai hangwi shit ngai work hard no we ot ka sa ji beri tanghul Baptist Church Bangalore hi accounting skill darga sakho na finance ri involve sadare je kha church ri budget ka sema dam ri finance mak theming na sema ka semba phawru ko and as a body of Christ finance ka themin na budgeting ka semi darga sai Bible ka tam now bing na Bible we administration tamau with the rian ka semi Bible ka tam now bing na ka semi darga sai Hospitality or sadre ka ushering and hospitality hi na team hi lead ka sadar ka sako because you know how to gather because you have that skill na thum na music them dre je ka music ka them with skill dar ka sadre ko matui dei dre je ka itum youth runno women runno itum men's runno Bible study dam gi thei skill ocha sak thei skill dar ka sako itum mai tanghul context ri the example khamine hui skill being hi khirara ga church ri shipa ka sadar ka sadre ko na tumui otbam skill ji church ri dar ka sako gi hi hangai itumui 당후의 컨텍스트 미빠지 지 담들에 이제 지빠지 지 사들에 이제 지 다세 스지누라지 그 미물이 사투고 so we need your availability also 이좀 당후나히 바이블 그데 히 틱틱 담들에 돼 라가 어떤 파워를 이제 바이블 그 담 나오리 옷파 그 미물이 두대 so what does it say itong may skill rin na may kahit talent di masijin hoki da skill develop masato hoki da mina recognize masara do jinawa so we need people who are efficient competent saraga pura specialized skill tarka sadre ko camera singdre ka we need professional photographer tarka sadre ko we need professional videographers church video semraji ka we need designers church we count semraji ka skill sara kai talent sara kai tarka sa ko cutting edge church we are only to meet contemporary need tissue together sara je ka Corinthians we need the body of Christ. Bang darga sada, queen doctor ga sada, meek darga sada, khana darga sada, different skill hit darga sada yoko. Iriatang in a serbum yawi. Example kuye. if you work hard, you will become the fastest mind in the classroom. The kahanghi ituma even angel school, the little angels English school the tam kade school now kete now jo khamri chi khai sim now en le sai. No one thought I would become someone at some point in my life. Karta break saram nimne iva munuiruga class 6 sira akshida feel za hain. Uga khnang Christmas jigum hoksak shaira shaim thajin na simkur na sinau pass basa I job tar khinu grungni fail za mo cake na the progress report hi sera kai ga courtroom kai na gan ri hada ka cake jangji lari ka damji pass under consideration the subject khni or ka thum fail sai ga lumishan na da khangami gai hi lari ka damji da damga ho ka sarbam yauna jada encourage sa khami hi I took it to my heart and I would work study jo adam ni shi khonai na bin handa lari bathem put ma shit put le sa ba hi now ba hi thangam ya hang sa re da shan gui ji now de re re ga hang ne hot tak ka pung ku thum ti lari para ga ngin song ai na like para ga ne mirin ni fail sa ga pass under consideration nga na kan le sa hi class 9 ni selection test ri 4th rank sambung ji de notice potri aming now jang ji as ji ku Christmas ring ka pha yang thadamina notice ka sa ji yang in a hang khangai ba hard work he recognize for sao ru ko arui ri ma sa sar bai varena rum shan mi do ot manga khima mandre I temna khaimanim nei da pekar khima man poktre I nuiga iwi ka dama damri no bible ka dama dam I tem kamai tigle khangajan wing jairi khangajan ni jangfi but at the same time varena the hard work sahi recognize hami the ot manga khing saktre I ajo ot manga sadar khai varena mrum shanmi je in ot mapung khran mapung khingi ot pam phung dre mapung khingi mji se adam iwi ke basire ni ang kham phung shap kji thada iwi ke tam now hi thinglang da leidre iwi team hi Russian Chinese African Asian mixara ga team lead sadre at the same time as part of my work here you album hi faculty training mi za dei hada technology hi sing ga theological education yi ga da mi re da workshop mi za dei hada both primarily itumi South Asian context itumi neighboring countries and Indian countries pini hada ocha bini training mi you album hi khisarak kre da khangting mai I work remotely hada UGRI later for research center ocha ga iba shimni bam ga internet le ka ocha ga bai obam sa de ogi da jeta ocha e ka travel sa ga ocha e azu ot ma khui da ga hi verenarum shan khmi wangai na ga khuine sathei da khuinim ne mangai ro nom dam khui ma man ne ji ai na hi ga hangai so da break ka samni ma kho ka classically fail ga ba hi verenaru kham shan ya ro ni hot na ra ga verena mahir da hang da hi dedicate saraga vrena iri hiri here the like them no the sadar he purpose lay ne ji wi jikhan le ka like them der hi vrena honor sami ga place sami der ko ji hi acknowledge saraga testify the sami ngai ji ana gup ka sangri hangai ko church members work hard hot na say ot sa say but in this generation work smart thamai der ot sa thai say Tadamang to tayo na sakjang dan nurudar kay bamning na consult sa kangila consult sa raga tangmay rak kay na otsasay work smart work with integrity mina sitsang pay rak kay mi sa raga otsaro kajirangay develop your gift develop your skill ngay ro non cultivate sa raga even technology background manim ne but you oti efficient samay the samanaogi da I dammaman otsamaman raga I have more than 20 certificates in digital learning technology, digital learning, AI, we certificate. I don't know kui skill upgrade sama man. We need that in our profession. Torop wagzang na otbang gapadam ni secular otbang gapadam ni primary to make very he mazat nam ne ko secular otbang gapadam ni na certificate ang ka tigmati khanga difference le ko. So get certificates if needed. Develop your skill, upgrade your skill. Targa sa ko ga thada pectorum bhai se Pisa mi nom ra ga masai se sadare ko ngui ko gji hir hangai trust in God's timing vrena satham ga khre thada 이샤부나 하하인데 브랜드 자탐 그 크레이다다 크레이 거기도 미리는 송자이 자탐 그 크레이다다 그 크레이지리 자한을 그 어사세 No, you're not just working for a human boss. You're working with a purpose ka jihi. Ne hairstyle sa sala, sam ka chap mi sa sala. Purpose later ka penglo lita kay ne he recognize sa ka o sang sak ngay. He ka hangay nang soda. Hadan na kipa ka na no he recognize masala later ya ka. Ko sis ka jihangay ko. To the where you work ya you mirin hing ator sang tui ka ot sa ong pazapi ka ot fa ta later ya ka. Your skill excellence will not be in vain. Gajir hangay ko. Na he the one who is overlooked. Kipa kana matay miracle later je ka. God knows how to take people to places. Gajir and kare. Sangay ko. To all the workers in Christ. Pastor sada kayo no, home evangelist sada kayo no, issue caretaker no, volunteer sada kayo no, issue secretary sada kayo no. Your skill refined in faith is a tool for both elevation 강가 회방네 그런 버려고 웅람 때 과이네 이제 항상 아예 나 쿠이 카이 샤 쿠이 카이지리 그 지브리 버려서 그미 다시 미르노 니 신나이래 아멘.